Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by. I have missed you. I've been MIA for about 2 weeks now because I have been having like debilitating migraines, and I just couldn't even muster the energy to try to even film. So in the meantime though, I have received a couple packages of things that I have ordered, and I wanted to go over one of them with you today because it is still on the website and I want you to get it if funds are available for, yourself, Christmas gifts, whatever. So this is my package, and I got actually 2 of the same item. And one is for me, one is for a gift. And they are Lug. This one is in the, I believe, Wildlife Black. And this one is Shabori wine. And this one is a gift. So I'm gonna put that one back for now, and I'm going to show you the one that is actually mine, since I don't want to take the other one out of the package. So this is the Lug Switch. This is the Lug Switch. Excuse my nails. They're atrocious and embarrassing, but like I said, I've had no energy, not even to take off my nails polish. This is the Switch and the Peekaboo. This is a set, and on the QVC website right now, I believe it's like 39 or 40 bucks. And if you have not purchased with QVC before, you also can use the coupon code, I think it's called Holiday, and you get a $15 off your very first order. So it's incredible. So I wanted to show you this in case you wanted to go ahead and get it before the holidays. So this is in Wildlife Black. Let me just double check that. I think it says on my, yes, Wildlife Black. Look how it has elephants and leopards and parrots and lemurs, more birds of paradise. My husband loves that. Yeah, anybody that knows me knows that I love animals down to my core. And so when I saw this print, I was like, I have to have that. So yeah, this is the Switch, and it can be worn 3 ways. You can wear it as a crossbody. You have D-rings here, right here. And the D-rings are actually like a polished gunmetal. Really nice metal hardware. Lug is always on point with their hardware. So you can wear this as a crossbody, as a shoulder bag. You can, put the strap at its shortest setting and wear it like if you carry a traditional purse. I mean, you can still use this. And then it also, you can wear it as a fanny pack. Or, you could even wear it as a sling bag if you wanted to carry it close to the front of you. This is RFID, so this makes the perfect little travel bag. And let's go ahead and get into it. So you have this, let me go ahead and remove that little turn lock here in the front. And when you open it, you have your wallet. Now, some people are not okay with having their wallet so accessible, but for me, if I'm wearing it on me, on my body, as far as like if I'm gonna wear it as a crossbody or a sling bag, I mean, that does not faze me in the least. I would probably notice somebody trying to get in and get all my stuff. So this is RFID. It shows you right here. You have a window ID pocket here. You have a zipper, and zipper is amazing. You have a zipper pocket here for coins, bills. You have an elastic pen loop here. And then you have 6 card slots here. And this is just a believe in yourself Lug little card. And so there you can use your most frequent cards right here, your ID, or a Metro card, or a tickets if you're going, somewhere that you need like a pass or a ticket to. And then above this, you have a zipper pocket. And look at the lining. I love the lining with this. It's so pretty. So this pocket goes the full way on both sides. It is sewn right here, so you do not get that extra little pocket of stuff right here. Your little extra pocket room right here, but you do get, and this is like one of my favorite Lug features, you do get your magnetic cell phone pocket. They call it the cell phone pocket, but I use this pocket both as a cell phone pocket, and this will fit any size phone. It's giant and it's felt lined, so it's soft lined. I use it a lot for my sunglasses. If you've seen I think one of my scoop videos, I showed you guys that it has, I use it with my sunglasses. Good gosh, words are escaping me. And then in the back here, you have, sorry guys, in the back here you have your zipper pulls are all this polished gunmetal, by the way. You have another pocket here that goes the width of the bag down to the very bottom. So that's perfect spot for like a mask or extra masks. Now, if you're wearing your fanny pack as a fanny pack, a designated fanny pack, this pocket is useless unless you wanted to carry like your extras, or like an extra mask or cash or something that you're not going to want easily accessible to other people, or you don't need it, in case your mask breaks, then you could just pop your bag off and grab it. But so this pocket's kind of useless if you're gonna wear it fanny pack style, but that's okay. And then you have your main pocket here, which looks like this. Let me take that out for a second. In here you have the strap that has the same print on it. I don't know if you can see, same print. And I honestly purchased this thinking in my brain, Animal Kingdom. Like, I will wear this at Animal Kingdom. Silica packet, a thank you card, the Lug story, and then this is a registration card. But in here is your main compartment, and it's decent size, seriously. You have your Lug Switch right here, your name of your bag. I love how Lug does that. You have two elasticized pockets for organization on that side, and then this side you have a privacy pocket with a zipper right here, and it goes the full length of depth of the bag, but it does stop on each side. Like, it doesn't go past this zipper. It's just this width, like it's the width of the zipper. So that's the inside of the Switch, and it comes with, this is called the Peekaboo. Now I know, I want to say a couple years ago they had another bag that they called the Peekaboo, and I want to say it's like a clear tote. I could totally be wrong, but this was a huge selling point for me, because this is the Peekaboo, and it is a wristlet. It comes with a wristlet strap. It has two small D-rings on the side, one for the wristlet strap, which you can take off and put your crossbody strap, and wear this as your little carry-all. And I will be using this for when I take my dogs on a walk, or if I'm on a walk or somewhere like fishing with my boys. This pocket is designated for a cell phone. You can still use your phone through this, hence the name Peekaboo. This is great for the parks. Like if you're going to a park, or a zoo or anywhere really that you would want your phone, but don't want it in your back pocket. You can just wear it, like I said, have your phone facing down so you can look, you know, pull your phone up and see. It has that quilted, I cannot think of the name of it, basket weave, or I don't remember the basket stitching, but like the pattern placement is so cute on this. You've got your monkey in the middle, you have your birds, and your elephant is over here in the corner with the metal lug plate. And this also, my friends, is RFID. So this is the Peekaboo. Let me get, I'm unboxing this with you guys. So it has a clear pocket here. So you can see, like, if you want to just carry like your ID and a debit card, super easy. A passport will fit in here. And then you also have this little zipper on the side for little like private, personal products that you carry with you. You put like a little feminine product or some first aid. But this is great because you can just, you know, carry this and go. You can wear this at the airport, put your passport in it, just carry it on you. You know, it's right there. You could even wear it, it's small enough you could wear it under a jacket. I really, really, really love this. So this little set here is perfect. I will probably actually carry it with both things and use this kind of as my catch-all. And if I want to run into a store, I can just throw them, you know, throw my items in there. So yeah, that's the Black Wildlife. And then the other one that I got as a gift is the Shabori wine, and it is beautiful. I'm hesitant on keeping it and just ordering another one. But it has this really pretty like tie-dye pinks and maroons. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It has all the same features. It's the exact same bag. Comes with the matching strap and the matching Peekaboo. The inside lining of this, you guys, look how cute this is. They're like little flowers. They're like little heart flowers with like, I don't even know how to describe that, but it's absolutely adorable and I love it. And I know the person that I purchased this for will also love it. So go on over to the QVC website because that is where you will find this. It is $39.95, I believe, right now, and they do the easy pay. This is not promoted by QVC or anything. I just think this is a phenomenal gift. If someone purchased this for me, I would absolutely love it. And I think it's very practical and useful. Multiple ways to carry this, multiple ways to use this. And I mean, this is great for the pool, throwing it in a diaper bag, you know, with mom stuff in it, throwing it in the diaper bag, and your stuff is separate from, you know, from the kids. And yeah, so that's what I have for you right now, what I have for you today. And if you like what you see, please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.